Hi everyone, this is Akshita and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing an abstract painting. This painting is going to be very different than my other paintings. So, in this painting, the main theme will be doing painting inside the girl's figure. So, let's enjoy drawing and coloring. So, first I'm starting by making a very rough sketch of a girl. Here I have showed it little dark, but you are going to make it lightly. So here I have completed making girl's figure. Now inside the girl's figure I'm going to make two coconut trees. You can make any scenery as per your own choice. Here I have made like this. This video is just to give you an idea for how you can make any scenery inside the girl's figure, that is a human figure. Here I am making buildings. So here I am trying to show the city scene, which is urban area, and so I am showing here buildings. So buildings means you can show any size like tall, short, however you want. So here I am making very rough buildings. So if you want you can even use scale, but I am doing here with free hand. This is just for an idea, but just try to make it little straight, because buildings are not always crooked type, it is always straight. Here I have made a very rough sketch and it's from the free hand, just for an idea, but afterwards we'll paint, it will look proper, appropriate, and that is how it will look. Okay, so now here I'm showing sunset scene. Now you can show any scene, you can say it a sunrise scene or sunset scene, whatever you want to call it as. So instead of palette I'm going to use plate, and I'm thinking that plate is my palette. You can even use a clip to avoid any, like, your paper should not fly. It will help you to keep your paper at that particular place. Meanwhile, I'm using that white color for face. So first you can do coating with white, or even directly you can start with the gray painting. So here I made a very light shade of gray color, and little white I have taken and applied. So now let's start with the hair part, and for the hair first, for the upper part of the hair, I'm going to take my peacock blue color. If you don't have peacock blue color, you can take cobalt blue color, that is also fine. You can add little white inside that. It will not look like peacock blue, but it will look little similar to it, but not too similar, because cobalt blue is little darker shade. Now take lighter shade of peacock blue color, and as I told, if you don't have peacock blue, just think that cobalt blue is like peacock blue, and add more white, much white color inside that shade. Now take pink plus white, that is the lighter shade of pink. Now merge the two colors, that is light blue and light pink, using water and white color. Here I am using lemon yellow. here I am using special pink color. If you don't have special pink color, that is the poster color of the special pink, then you can even use normal pink. So here I have painted one of the buildings and I have showed lights using lemon yellow color. Now let's paint other building. Now you are going to use grey color. If you don't know how to make grey color, I will just tell you that you are going to add white in the black color. Take much white color and less black. Then lighter shade of grey will be formed. Just like that. You can use any color whichever you want to do in the buildings except the black color and the white color. Use yellow color to show lights. So here I am doing border of the coconut trees with the help of black gel pen. So if you don't have black gel pen, don't worry, you can even use ball pen, and even if you don't have ball pen, then you can even use paint, that is a black paint, and you just need to do it with the brush. Now color the background with the lightest shade of brown. You can write any quote whichever you like. Here I have written Bible's quote. Meanwhile, that's her lipstick, and I have just applied that red color to show that it is a girl. So it's your wish if you want to show lipstick. So here we come to the end of the video. I will just request you that please do follow me on Instagram. Also guys, you know the drill, that is like, share and subscribe to my channel. Additionally, click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. Also comment below. Thank you.